Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about my Robinhood portfolio. Currently I'm at $236,969. Cash position of $10,577. I also have another $30,000 in a high yield savings account so I can easily deploy into the market when there are opportunities to buy. So most of my portfolio is in US equities, and the market has been rallying this past year, which makes me a bit more cautious considering optimism is extremely high, even though there's a lot of geopolitical tensions recently. Scrolling down a bit, taking a look at my largest position, VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This makes up 15.53% of my portfolio, or $36,795. Currently up 23.75% total return. Next is Vanguard Information Technology ETF. Makes up 7.14% portfolio, or $16,919. Total return of 84.64%. Next is Schwab US Large Cap ETF. Very similar to VOO, makes up 5.38% portfolio, or $12,755, up 33.95%. Next is iShares Core S&P 500 ETF. Makes up 1.24% portfolio, or $2,943, up 53.08%. Spider S&P 500 ETF, very similar to the VOO, Vanguard, Schwab, and iShares ETFs. Makes up 1.1% portfolio, or $2,600, up 53.31%. I'm planning to consolidate some of these ETFs so that I don't have, so I just focus on add more equity to, by consolidating, it's easier to track my ETFs or potentially even allocate those towards more stocks. First stock is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Makes up 7.08% portfolio, or $16,779. Currently up 93.28%. Next is Alibaba, which is one of my Asia Pacific plays. Makes up 5.48% portfolio, or $12,976. Up 33.25%. Microsoft makes up 4.9% portfolio, or $11,613. Up 83.08%. Visa makes up 4.66% portfolio, or $11,044, up 79.71%. Nvidia makes up 3.71% portfolio, or $8,796, up 30.55%. Alphabet, which is the parent company of Google, this one is Class A shares with voting rights, makes up 1.81% portfolio, or $4,290, up 44.17%. This one is Alphabet Class C shares. Makes up 1.81% portfolio, or $4,290, up 43.45%. Next is Johnson & Johnson. Makes up 3.37% portfolio, or $7,978, up 12.25%. Amazon makes up 3.18% portfolio, or $7,524, up 58.49%. Tencent, which is another Asia Pacific play, makes up 2.89% portfolio, or $6,840, up 21.71%. McDonald's makes up 2.62% portfolio, or $6,217, up 28.93%. Boeing. There's been a lot of negative news regarding Boeing recently, but I think this is still a good long-term play. I don't plan on adding more positions, but I plan to continue holding what I have in the portfolio right now. This makes up 2.37% portfolio, or $5,607, up 10.75%. United Health makes up 2.24% of my portfolio, or $5,312, up 73.65%. Home Depot makes up 1.7% portfolio, or $4,033, up 47.7%. Next is Facebook, makes up 1.66% portfolio or $3,926, up 40.68%. Costco makes up 1.63% portfolio or $33,864, up 23.42%. AT&T makes up 1.63% portfolio or $3,855, up 6.52%. Berkshire Hathaway makes up 1.63% portfolio or $3,853, up 24.34%. 3M makes up 1.37% portfolio or $3,248, down 10.38%. PepsiCo makes up 1.1% portfolio or $2,692, up 12.73%. PayPal makes up 1.1% portfolio or $2,598, up 49.33%. NextEra Energy makes up 0.92% portfolio or $2,191, up 38.95%. Baidu makes up 0.67% portfolio or $1,590, down 21.57%. So next couple of positions are actually down, but they're relatively small positions in a portfolio that I plan to continue holding for the long term. Next is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, makes up 0.62% portfolio or $1,471, up 35.11%. Activision Blizzard makes up 0.6% portfolio or $1,414, down 10.37%. Baozun makes up 0.56% portfolio, $1,326, down 5.06% portfolio. Next is NetEase, makes up 0.29% portfolio, or $677, down 2.79%. Constellation Brands makes up 0.24% portfolio, or $565, down 14.88%. ETFs makes up 0.2% portfolio, or $476, down 21.42%. Next couple ones are ETFs. So Vanguard Consumer Discretionary ETF makes up 0.89% portfolio, or $2,100, up 54.79%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF makes up 0.74% portfolio, or $1,742, up 49.56%. Last but not least is Vanguard Mega Cap Value ETF, makes up 0.81% portfolio, or $1,914, up 30.65%. That's all in my Robinhood portfolio. I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and buying more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend-paying stocks and growth stocks. I also plan on increasing my cash position, currently at $10,577 in my Robinhood account and $30,000 in a high-yield savings account. But I want to increase this position to at least $40,000 so I can easily deploy into the market when there's opportunities to buy. That's all for this video. What's in your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.